Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Maniology haul. This is, I believe, 6 separate orders. I've just been hanging on to it to share a larger haul. And I love Maniology. I also have a Maniology code you can use for 10% off of your own order. Now, all the Maniology orders come with stickers. And here's 3 of them. I had some doubles. I got Shape Up, 1 stamp at a time, and Glowing and Growing. And I'm going to go in order of how I purchased and received the orders. So the first plate I have is Bleeding Hearts. If I've used the plates, I will share my nail looks. If I've used the plates, I will share my nail looks with you. Next up, I grabbed the Spring Occasions What's Crackin' Easter nail plate. Super duper cute. I wanted this for the peeps. This is already sold out once this year, and it may already be sold out again. It's super duper cute. It's not a new plate, but it's a very popular plate for this time of year. I picked up Movie Night. Love movies. We have a massive DVD collection, and this is very fitting, and I cannot wait to do a bunch of looks with this. In that same order, I picked up the Kawaii Emoji So Nailed It, and these were on sale. These are last call items, last chance to buy these next plates, this one and the next one, and these were, I believe, $3.99 each opposed to the $8 each, and this is So Nailed It. This is a last chance plate as well, and this is the Kawaii Emoji Too Sweet to Eat plate. Lots of fun images here. I really love these little cupcakes here. There's some pie and some cherries. Look at the pancakes. Lots of cutesy items on this plate. The next 2 plates are also plates from the last call, last chance sale that they're having. These are $3.99 each. Some of these plates you're not going to be able to get anymore. They possibly already sold out. This is the Happily Never After Dead of Night plate. And this one, I love all the zombie skeleton stuff. There's some skeleton hands. There's a graveyard. And this is the Cinderella, or Cinderella kind of type plate. I love that clock as well. There's lots of nice images that can be associated with lots of different nail looks, not just a Cinderella dark kind of theme. For $3.99. And the other one that I picked up, I might still get the Snow White one when it's available, but this one is the Happily Never After Sweet Revenge, and this is the Hansel and Gretel plate. And this one has a zombie foot and a zombie hand here. Lots of other images. Like I said, you don't have to just use a storybook kind of theme here. You can incorporate these images in lots of different manicures. Very fun. Next up, I have the plate Imaginary Lines, and I think this one is fun and unique. I did a home manicure with the solar system space kind of images. This one is lots of fun. I think it's absolutely stunning to use with watercolors, and you'll see in the pictures it's different. And the next order, I picked up the Rockabilly Plate, and I love all these skeletons and their getup, and there's these really cute little cherries and roses, and this plate is really nice and really thought out design of a plate as well. Really love this. I'd been looking at this set for a while, and I did get the Incomparable Stargazer set of 3 nail art stamping plates, and these this is a Stargazer bundle. You can buy these individually as well. The first one I'm taking out here is the Kelli Marissa plate, and this is her collab, one of her collabs with Maniology. Of course, these are all space themed, and I love this little solar system one here, the little stars here. So many cute images on this plate. She does lots of galaxy themed manicure stuff, so definitely check her out. Another lady that I really enjoy watching that does super in-depth nail tutorials, gives lore behind some of these plates and things like that, is Reza Blade. So I'm going to link Kelli Marissa and Reza Blade's channels down in the description box below. And this is another, this is like the negative space kind of galaxy plate, and I love this. This one is a have to have if you like space stuff. It's so pretty. The last one in that set is another negative space kind of plate, as you can see, and there's lots of awesome images. I did a look using this slimy galaxy drip, and it was absolutely stunning, absolutely gorgeous. All these images on the Maniology plates are always crisp and clear. Use them with a sticky stamper. Super nice. I love the quality of their items. I'm never disappointed with the Maniology products. And the last and final thing that I ordered in a separate order when they come out with some of their spring stuff. I do plan on getting some more spring themed plates, but for now I just ordered the Maniology Spring Sonata 3-piece creamy Flakys nail polish set, and these are the first Maniology polishes that I have. These are different from the stamping polishes. You cannot stamp with these. These are creamy, flaky nail polishes. So I did wear all these on my nails. I'll actually bring out the first one because that's what I'm wearing now, and it's a yellow with these beautiful blue flakies in it, and it's called Dandelion. A gorgeous nail polish. Also in the set is this beautiful blue, is called a Robin's Egg. This is a blue, and it has some blue and some green. And then the last one in this set is called Grassy Patch. I use this one for a St. Patty's Day manicure. Beautiful, beautiful. This one is probably my favorite because, well, I like green, and the flakies have more of a shift to them in this one than the other two. They're all equally beautiful, but this one has like beautiful coppery, bronzy kind of shift to it in the flakies. It's gorgeous. All three of these, and the bundle costs $30, but it is on sale as I'm filming this for $24 Plus, if you use a 10% off code, you can get that even cheaper. And they also have a rewards program, so look into that too, because the more you shop on their website, the more they reward you. This trio set, the Spring Sonata, so $24, and if you can get a little cheaper, it's not that bad for the 3 of them. These are opaque nail polishes and 2 to 3 coats. They build up nicely. They are self-leveling, meaning that they level themselves out. You don't need a ton of top coat to smooth out the glitter. There's no glitter flakies that are sticking up. They all lay flat, and these are easily removed with a regular nail polish remover as well. So I wanted to give a little bit more insight on these polishes. They're really nice polishes. Very beautiful for spring as well. So I thank you guys for watching my Maniology haul. Stay tuned for more videos, nail looks, and nail tutorials and all that fun stuff coming soon using these products. If some of it is already up, I will link that somewhere, show you pictures and all of that. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.